Good morning, students. Welcome to the maths class. Today, we are continuing Unit 13. In the previous lecture, we have learnt about interest. That when we deposit something, some amount, some money in a bank, then extra money paid by bank is called interest. Interest is of two types. The first is simple interest and second is compound interest. But in the syllabus of class 5, we will study simple interest. Our topic is simple interest. Simple interest is the interest paid by bank when we deposit some money for a particular time duration at a given rate of interest. Okay, simple interest. The simple interest we calculate depends upon three factors. The three main factors are principal. Principal means the sum of money. The money deposited in a bank is called principal. The next factor is rate of interest. Rate of interest means extra money charged by the bank for every 100 rupees deposit is called rate of interest. The third factor is time. The period of time for which money is kept in a bank is called time. So, to find simple interest, we need three factors: principal, rate of interest, and time. After this, what is the formula for finding simple interest is principal multiply rate multiply time. Simple interest we can write as SI equals to P multiply R multiply T. With the help of this formula, now we are going to start worksheet 2 at page number 162. The first question is find the simple interest at the end of 1 year for the following. We need to find the simple interest at the end of 1 year. It means time is common for all the parts. At rupees 400 at 5% interest per annum. Per annum means year. Means if we deposit 400 rupees for 1 year, then bank will give 5% for every 100. 5 rupees for every 100. It means we always write interest as 5% per annum. It should be in this way. And principal, we write P for principal, and P is rupees 400. Small r for rate of interest, that is 5% per annum. Write it in this way only. And the time small t is 1 year given. These three factors are responsible for simple interest. Then the formula for simple interest, P multiply R multiply T, 400 multiply 5% multiply 1. Now, as we have studied earlier in our previous unit, to remove the percentage sign, we just write 100 in the denominator. 5 by 100 multiply 1. Okay, then cancel it as much as you can. This 100, these two zeros will be cancelled with this, and remaining we don't have any denominator now. So 4 5s are 20, 20 1s are 20, means 20 by 1. So the simple interest is rupees 20. Okay, this is the first part. Come to the next part. C part of the question. B part you will do on your own. Rupees 2500 at 4 1 by 2% interest per annum. The same way principal is given. Rate is 4 1 by 2. In mixed number it is given. Open it as improper 9 by 2% per annum means you can write it as PA. Okay. Time is 1 year. Formula for simple interest. Then in the same way we will remove the percentage sign and write 100 in the denominator. To multiply 100, it's multiply 1. 2 0 cancelled with 2. Now this 2 cannot be cancelled, so it will remain as it is. 25 9s are numerator will be multiplied together. 225 1s are 225 by 2. As this is an a fractional form, convert into decimal. It is 112.5. This is rupees 112.5 is the simple interest in this part. Okay, this is the C part of the question. In the same way, we can solve its remaining part. Okay, those you will do on your own. Come to the next question. Complete the table by calculating the simple interest. Here we have given principal, rate of interest, time, simple interest. Three things are given. The main different thing is the time is more than 1 year in all the parts. We need to find simple interest. Whether the question is given in tabular form, but still we have to calculate all the parts. So how can we calculate? Let's start its B part. A part is very simple. You can do that part on your own. Principal is given. Rate of interest is this. Time is 2 years. Okay. Mixed number will be converted to improper. Then the formula as we know now. 500 multiply 17 by 2 multiply 100, as we are removing the percentage sign. 2 by 1. 2 0 cancelled with this 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are. Okay. This denominator can be cancelled with either one of three. Either with principal or with time or with rate or time. Okay. So now 2 is cancelled. So here as denominator is finished, 5 17s are 85 multiply 185, 1 ones are 185 by 1 is rupees 85. This is the simple interest. Okay. Come to next D part. Rupees 2500, rate of interest is in mix. I have converted into improper. Time is also in mixed number, converted into improper. Two numbers are in fractional form. So the question is okay. Remove the percentage sign. Multiply 100, 5 by 2. 2 zeros can be cancelled. Now this 2 cannot be cancelled. Even this 2. So what will we do? As it cannot be cancelled, so we will multiply all the numbers. 15 5s are 75. Now as we are multiplying 25, 15 and 5, we will get 1875, and in the denominator I will get 2 2s are 4. Now convert into decimal. If you are unable to do it orally, you can find it by division. 468.75. 468.75 is the simple interest. Okay, it completes our D part. The remaining two parts of the question you will do on your own. Okay, now your homework is complete and revise question number 1 and 2 of worksheet 2 of unit 13. Thank you.